first year MBA student at IIM Rohtak.
So as you all know, CAT exam is done and you have filled a lot of colleges before CAT, and I am here to provide you a list of colleges that you can fill after your CAT exam. बिकॉज़ ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि कुछ अच्छे कॉलेजेस होते हैं जो कि स्टूडेंट से मिस हो जाते हैं, उनको समझ नहीं आता कि वो एग्ज़ाम वो कॉलेज अभी वो भर सकते हैं, वो फिल कर सकते हैं या फिर नहीं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल एमएस दिल्ली, कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि वो कैट से पहले भरना होता है, कुछ लोगों को लगता है कैट के बाद भरना होता है, तो उस वजह से स्टूडेंट्स मिस कर जाते हैं कुछ कॉलेजेस के फॉर्म भरना जो कि वो अचीव कर सकते थे। तो फॉर दैट आई curated a list of colleges from some sources. You can refer to them, and the dates are tentative, they might change, so you have to act accordingly. You have to take actions prior to those dates which I am telling in this video. So the first college is XIMB. The fees to fill is form, it's 1700 approximately. The tentative date is December 10. The highest CTC is 30 and the average CTC is 19.53 lakhs. The next up is IMI Delhi. The fees to apply for this is 2000 plus 18% GST. The tentative date is December 18. It is the last date to fill the form. It's the deadline. And the highest CTC is 17.95 lakhs and the average CTC is 16.71 lakh per annum. Next is IITs. So approximately the fees revolves around 3000 if we compare all the IITs. I have provided a list of highest placement and average placement of different IITs. You can refer to that also. The tentative date or the deadline can be 6th of December, so act accordingly. Next up is KG Somaiya. Its application form fees is 2000 and the tentative date or the deadline is January 18. The highest placement was 28.25 lakhs per annum. Next up is Goa Institute of Management. So you can figure it out that it is approximately 3500 approximately. It can go below that. Different fees for different programs, different number of programs. The last date or tentative date to apply is November 30. The highest placement was 55 lakh per annum and the average placement was 14.81 lakh per annum. Next up is DMS, that is IIT Delhi. The fees for applying for it is 2500 and the tentative date is 31st January. Highest CTC was 41.13 lakhs per annum. Average CTC was 25.82 lakh per annum. The last but not the least is TSE DU. The application fees for this is 2000 rupees. The tentative date is 5th of January. The highest CTC was 26.5 lakh per annum and the average CTC was 14 lakh per annum. So these are the tentative dates or the application fees, and for a reference I've also added the average CTC and the highest CTC, and you can fill the forms accordingly. There are different cutoffs for each of these colleges, so you have to apply by estimating that how much percentile that you can get as per your exam. अगर आपका कैट एग्ज़ाम अच्छा नहीं गया है दैन यू कैन ट्राई फॉर अदर एग्जाम्स सच एज जेड स्नैप एनमेट. देर आर मैनी ऑफ देम अवेलेबल फॉर यू. सो अगर अच्छा गया भी है तो भी यू कैन ट्राई फॉर दैट. हु नोज़ उसमें आपका स्कोर ज़्यादा अच्छा आ जाए, या फिर कैट भी बहुत अच्छा आया दैन यू कैन हैव मोर ऑप्शंस फॉर यू. सो उन ऑप्शंस को भी देख सकते हैं, उन वाले एग्ज़ाम्स को देख सकते हैं. स्नैप से रिलेटेड आपके SIBM पुणे SCMH RD जैसे कॉलेजेस आते हैं जो कि जिनकी डेट्स भी नियर बाय हैं, तो उनको भी आप फिल कर सकते हैं. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सैट के थ्रू एक्सिलराई का फॉर्म भर सकते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर डिस्क्रिप्शन, सो डू दैट. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स एंड ट्राई टू नॉट लूज एनी ऑफ द फॉर्म if you have a feeling that you can be selected for that college. All the best. Bye bye.